Owl pellets are the indigestible bits of bone and fur from the owl's prey that are regurgitated on a frequent basis. Here, my students are dissecting pellets from barn owls in various regions of the United States to see how their diets may vary. They separate and identify the bones in the owl pellets and compare the skulls and jaws of the prey items to a key to determine which animal was eaten. We commonly find animals such as meadow voles, brown rats, and other rodents, as well as the occasional bird. Studying the diets of animals helps us learn more about their ecology and the role that they play in their biological community.